Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today is Sunday, April 19th. It's 4:37 p.m. so obviously it's the weekend, so markets are closed. I just wanted to make this video because there's one other stock I just added to my watch list in terms of doing the wheel strategy for options trading, and that's Virgin Galactic. Ticker symbol is SPACE, SPCE. This stock has only been around since the end of 2019, so it's relatively new. As you can see, it peaked up until February, until the pandemic happened, which it dropped. But it's a bit of a meme stock, but it already has a large amount of volume. So just want to put on my watch list just to see if it's viable to turn the wheel option on, because it is relatively cheap right now. It's only $18.70. I mean, back at the peak in the end of February, it went up to about $37. So it's almost half what it was then. So we'll see, how this plays out. I'll just keep an eye on it to see how it does for options. I mean, it's fairly good in that the options strikes are 50 cents apart, so it gives you a lot of options. As far as volume, it's decent. So I just put this on my radar, and we'll just keep an eye on it just to see what happens. It does only trade once a week, however, but it doesn't hurt to add one more to your watch list. I'll let you know if I make a play on this at some point. But my play for Monday is actually going to be, I'm thinking about for AMD. AMD's earnings are coming up on April 28th, which is about 9 days away. And I was taking a look at the AMD options chain, and I currently don't hold any position or have any trades open on AMD. But I was thinking about running the wheel on this. So I was thinking about selling a cash covered put, but I didn't know, and I still don't know, which strike I want to choose. Because I have a feeling, and I think other people feel the same way, that AMD's going to beat their earnings report, or at least the stock is going to go up from their earnings. So if that's the case, if I pick a lower strike price, let's say $52, which has a roughly 84% chance of profit, then yes, I'm going to be very secure in just getting these $43 per contract of premium, especially if the stock price goes up after earnings. But then I thought, well, if I really think that the strike price is going to go up, why don't I sell basically an at-the-money cash secured put, so the 56 strike price, which most likely will get assigned, so I'll get 100 shares. But I'll collect $158 in premium as of right now. I mean, obviously that's going to change when the market opens on Monday morning. But as you can see, it only has a 66% chance of profit, meaning it's likely that I won't get assigned the shares. However, it's not, a definite by any means. If I did not want to get assigned shares, I would pick a lower strike price. So the reason I say that is because let's say I want to get assigned, and let's say I sell a weekly that expires this coming Friday. So if I get assigned at $56, I get to keep $158 in premium. And then the next week, because the earnings come out on April 28th, if I do get assigned shares, well, then I can sell a covered call at $56 again to try and get out of that stock and essentially run the wheel one way around. So, I mean, this is not accurate because who knows what the premium is going to be a week from now. But I could collect premium again by selling a $56 covered call. So I'm trying to debate whether I just want to get the premium with a cash secured put with a low strike price, and then maybe next week run a different strategy on AMD, which is earnings week. Or should I pretty much guarantee myself that I'm going to get assigned stock, collect a higher premium, and then try and get out of that stock and collect a higher premium again? I'm leaning towards the latter strategy just because I want to see what happens. And I have a strong suspicion that AMD is going to go up, but we never know what's going to happen. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this trade for AMD. And let me know what your watch list looks like. Thanks again for tuning in.